In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Life360 app 2025. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and for this one we're actually going to work through the iPhone settings rather than the Life360 app itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app on my phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see General and tap on that. This is where a lot of system-wide settings are stored, including language, region, and other basic preferences. Now that we're in General, scroll down again until you find Language and Region. Tap on that to open up your language settings. This is where you can manage all the languages your phone supports and set the default language for your device. Next, tap on Add Language. This will show you a big list of all the languages available on your iPhone. Go ahead and scroll through and find the language you want to use. Once you see it, tap on it to add it to your list. After you've added the new language, it will appear in your list of languages under Language and Region. To make this your default language, just drag it to the very top of the list. You'll notice a little handle on the right side that lets you move it up or down. Once it's at the top, your iPhone will immediately start using that language as the system default. Because Life360 uses your device's language settings, the app will automatically switch to your new language the next time you open it. You don't need to adjust anything inside Life360 itself. It all updates based on your iPhone's language settings. If you ever want to switch back or add another language, you can follow the same steps. Open Settings, go to General, tap Language and Region, add the new language and drag it to the top of the list. So, just to recap quickly, you opened your iPhone settings, tapped General, went into Language and Region, added your desired language, and then dragged it to the top to make it your default. And that's it. That's how you change the language on the Life360 app using your iPhone.